Hello and welcome to Digia. This video demonstrates how to set up and manage the component registry after integrating the Digia Engage SDK into your app. It explains syncing app components with the dashboard to ensure accurate campaign building. Once you have integrated the Digia Engage SDK into your app, you need to set up your component registry before building campaigns. So what is it? Simply put, the component registry is a list of all the screens, anchors, and slots inside your app that Digia Engage knows about. Think of it as a sync between your app and the dashboard. So when you go to build a campaign, you are always picking from a real, accurate part of your app instead of typing things in manually and risking mistakes. To set it up, head to the Test and Debug section in your project dashboard. You will see a QR code here. Scan it with the debug build of your app. This opens the SDK debug settings screen on your device. Enable sync there. Then restart the app and just navigate through the screens you want to see in your campaigns. As you move through the app, Digia automatically receives all those screens, anchors, and slots in the backgrounds. Now go to the Components section. Here, this is your component registry. Any screen or element that got synced will show up here, initially marked as unreviewed. Your job is to go through them all and mark each one. If a component is ready for your team to use in campaigns, simply mark it usable. It'll then appear in the campaign builder. If something is temporary or is not meant for campaigns, simply mark it archived to keep things tidy. And when it is needed again, simply mark it usable. Here you have these three sections: unreviewed, usable, and archived. The components that will get synced are pages, anchors, and slots. Once you mark them usable, these components can now be used. Now let's try using these components in a campaign. We will set up a nudge on one of the screens that got synced during the process of component registration. In this section, you will find a comprehensive list of all the pages that have successfully been synced up. Each of these pages will be displayed here for your convenience, allowing you to easily access and manage the content that has been synchronized. This feature ensures that you have a clear overview of all synced pages, making it simpler to navigate through your materials. The nudge will show on all the pages that we select here. Now, it's not just pages that show up here during campaign creation. Anchors and slots work the same way. Let me show those too. Now, after marking anchors and slots usable, we can use these components too in our campaign creation process. Let me show you now when we go to an inline campaign here. In the slot key field, I get a drop-down showing every slot that's been synced by the Digia SDK. I just select the one I want, and the inline campaign will automatically render into that exact slot in the app. Same for anchors. I get a drop-down with every anchor synced by the Digia SDK. I select the one I want, and the campaign will point directly to that exact UI element in the app. And that's how easy it is to sync and use components for your in-app campaigns with Digia Engage. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts or concern, please drop a comment below. Our team will reach out to you. And for all the future updates, don't forget to subscribe.